In the heart of Newport, Tennessee, a community faced an unimaginable tragedy. Recent floods swept through homes and lives, leaving devastation in their wake. Among those affected was a single mother, whose world was turned upside down overnight. With her home damaged and her spirit tested, she found herself struggling to rebuild amidst the chaos. But in times of hardship, hope often shines the brightest. It's in these moments that we remember the power of compassion and community. Turner Exteriors, alongside our incredible partners at GAF, Mid-Atlantic Roofing Supply, and Lansing, decided to take action. Together, we are committed to making a difference in her life. With every nail and every board, we are not just repairing a house, we are restoring a home filled with love and memories. Our dedicated teams have come together, driven by a shared mission to create a safe haven for her and her children once again. As we stand alongside this resilient family, we are reminded that even in the darkest of times, kindness can light the way. Together, we are transforming despair into hope and hardship into strength. Thanks to the unwavering support of our partners and the generosity of our community, we are proud to say that this home will soon be filled with laughter, warmth, and love once more.